What is going on, guys? Today we're looking at the crypto.com, how much you can earn if you invest basically your Bitcoin, Ethereum, all of that stuff, right? So here we can see we can do with 1,000 or less because it really does give you a 2% increase. But the crypto.com token, right, in order to get that, you will have to spend about a couple of $1,000 in this sense, the CRO token. So overall, yes, it is worth it in the long run if you believe in the crypto.com token, but overall, it's not necessary to say the least. So, but here we have the rates that you have, and I am currently using this myself, right? I have about a couple thousand in it, and I've been doing this for a little bit under 180 days. I finished a 90-day term where I ended up putting in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Chainlink, and Ripple. I ended up doing that for a 90-day term. Then I ended up redoing it for a 90-day term, and those are about to. I have 74 days left on them. So in total, I've been doing it for about 115 days, and my total earnings have been $243.94, which overall obviously is not bad. That is about that's a little bit over $2 a day, which per month is around $60 per month. So it's just like a little extra, right? Just in that passive income, since I'm not really using it at this moment anyway, for the next couple of months at least. So overall, here you have the 3-month, 1-month, and flexible rate. You only get up to 2% per year, 4%, 6%. But if you have the CRA stake with 10,000 or more, you then get 8, 6, 4, 12, 10, 8. Overall, if you plan to do this for like 3-4 years, it's worth it. If you're not, then it's not worth it. Then you can do it with $1,000 or less. So overall, it does change up depending on which coin you use. So for Ethereum, my current term is 4.5%. For Chainlink, it's 4%. For Bitcoin, it's 4.5% for these 90 days remaining. And they do have new rates coming out too. Now, Bitcoin is now 6.5%. Ripple is 5.5. Ethereum is 5.5. Litecoin is 5.5. And obviously, the Crypto.com coin is 18%, right? They're stable coins, like DAI is 12, USDT is 12, USDC is 12, right? And then the rest of the coins down here, that we have Stellar or Bitcoin Cash. Stellar is 4%, Bitcoin Cash is 5.5. I ended up getting the email, them giving me the new rates. So overall, it's not bad. But that's basically all it is. You put your money in, it's just like lending it out, right? It's like if your friend asks, like, "Hey, can I borrow $1,000?" and you're like, "Yeah, sure. Here's $1,000. Just how long do you think it's gonna take for you to pay me back?" And they're like, "It'll take me a year," right? You can be like, "Okay, here's $1,000. By the time you pay me back, I want 8% back on it." They're like, "Okay, done. I'll give you 1,080 then," right? That's basically all it is. The only difference is you can choose to do it for a flexible. So this just means you can take it out at any time for the 1 month. You have to leave it in there for at least a month. And this 4% is not for that 1 month, right? If you put $1,000 in, you do not get $1,040 in that 1 month. No, that 4% is for the entire year. So that $40 will be divided by 12, which means for that month you would get $3.33. Now, the difference with that is you basically have that, but the price of that coin can also go up, right? That's why it is such a useful thing, because at the end of the day, if the price goes up or down and you know you're not going to sell it in the long term, then this is the thing for you. If you think you're going to sell quite soon, then do not do this. That is not worth it then, because you cannot physically cash out for 3 months, right? If you put it in for 90 days, you want that 6%, that's 6.5% for Bitcoin. You put in $1,000, you're like, okay, I will make $1,065 in that year, right? But Bitcoin's at 10, and you think within that year it'll go up to 20. Well, then you just made $120 extra, plus your $1,000 is $2,000, so now you have $2,130 instead of that $1,065. Now, if you're more trading wise, then this is not the site for you. Crypto.com is not good for you. Also, this is not a paid partnership or anything like that. This is just me, a person using it, making decent passive incomes. Right, I've made almost $250 in about a little bit over 100 days. Literally 105 days. So it's really good. I think it's just a nice passive income, and it's quite secure. So overall, I don't really have bad things to say about it. And you can also apply for the cards and get more percentage on it, right? They're just trying to up their coin as well, so it makes sense. But overall, this is more just of a small passive income thing you can do. Is if you're a long-term holder. Besides that, it is not worth it in my opinion. Getting the Crypto.com coin, if you see future in it, go ahead. I think Chainlink, Bitcoin, and Ethereum, and Ripple, and Stellar are more of the coins that have a good shot of kind of going up more than this. But overall, great site. But you can even see here, right, 16% on their crypto coin. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just a quick breakdown of how to make a little bit more passive income with basically, instead of putting this into Coinbase, we're leaving it on like Binance, Bittrex, or those kind of exchange sites. Just put in here, earn some passive income. If I would have known about this a little bit sooner, I could have done this about a year and a half ago. And with at that rate, right, I could have made, I would say, easily an extra $1,000, and that's my own fault, right? But that's why I wanted to share this with you guys. I also had to do a lot of research before putting money into this. So do your own due diligence, do your own research. But other than that, I hope you enjoyed this quick video on just understanding what Crypto.com is, staking, their new rates, and yeah, see for yourself if you like it or not. Other than that, if you guys have any questions, concerns, leave it in the comments. Hope you liked it, and thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great weekend.